Welcome back. We are here on Cousins Island and right here adjacent to Sandy Point Beach. We're standing on the northerly end of the Cousins Island Safety Way that goes all the way from Sandy Point Beach and the bridge all the way down to the terminus of the walkway at Wharf Road. So as you can see, this particular infrastructure is quite old. It was built in the 70s and it has had a little bit of maintenance over the years, but it is really in rough shape and requires work. Additionally, the sidewalk certainly doesn't meet ADA standards. It does require to be improved and be widened, and also ensure that it has the proper grades. And also, many folks I'm sure will tell you that live on the island is there's no ADA crosswalks to get you from the safety way on the, I guess the seaward side over to the roads that are on the, I guess, land side, if you will. So that's part of this project, and this is something that we are proposing as part of this potential bond vote. The town has taken a look at this, and we have developed a conceptual drawing and designs to improve the safety way from its current narrow width to a full 6-foot wide walkway the entire length. There'd be areas where we'd install curbing where it's required. Also, we'd install some drainage that's required along the length of the segment. And also ensure, as I mentioned before, that we had the appropriate ADA infrastructure and crosswalks to get across to the side streets that make the connection. And also ensure that the entire area was restored with loam and seed to ensure that it looks like a real live sidewalk that's new and not old. So the program that we require for this new project would be to develop a survey, obtain a final design from a consulting engineer, and then have them develop the construction drawings and final opinions of probable cost for construction. Also, this would include public participation and outreach to make sure that we get information from the folks on the island for this big project. And so, though that's a program that's developed, we've anticipated that that project will cost about $2 million, which includes all of the infrastructure I mentioned before, as well as some significant amount of money for drainage issues and ledge that we potentially might find in the project. So generally that's the project scope, and so at the end of the project, ideally this sidewalk would meet town standards and ADA standards, and would be a wonderful facility for all folks to use in Yarmouth. So this concludes our three segment on the three projects that are going to be included in this proposed bond issue at November's election. And so if you are looking for more information, please go to the Town of Yarmouth website at www.yarmouth.me.us, and there will be plenty of information there to help you. And as I mentioned, any questions, please give me a shout. I'm at Town Hall, 846-2401, and I'd be happy to chat with you about any of these projects. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this production from Sean Quirk. Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in. We encourage you to learn more about these three projects on the Town of Yarmouth website at www.yarmouth.me.us. I want to thank Steve and Chris for their time and urge all Yarmouth voters to consider this important bond question in November.